Hi, my name is Miriam and I'm a travel vlogger. Previously I have traveled on my own to Southeast Asia and ended up in Australia. So recently I had a break from travel because I decided it was time for me to have a baby. I lived in England for the past 2 years with my Australian boyfriend, and in February 2019 my beautiful daughter was born. Traveling is my passion and there was no way that this was the end. We both decided that traveling with a baby is a new goal. We want to create amazing memories and spend time as a family in beautiful different locations. We want to share our journey with the world and show people that traveling with a baby is possible and super rewarding. The fear of the unknown is not going to stop us, and we will deal with any obstacles on the way as a family. I have been working really hard on selling all of our belongings that we have collected for the past 2 years, and we have finally moved out of our rented apartment. I had to say my goodbyes to my family in England, and I really don't know when I will see them next, as we booked ourselves one-way tickets. So we have decided that our first location will be Sri Lanka, and here's where our journey begins now. Rilla! Rilla! Yay!
These aircraft is equipped with emergency exit doors on the front and rear of the aircraft, and emergency exit windows in the central part of the cabin.
Hello everybody, welcome back. Don't know if you can hear me, but obviously we are currently on the plane. Arella just had an hour nap, which is amazing. Half of our plane journey is already gone and she slept through it, so that's pretty cool. This is our first plane of the day. We are currently going to Warsaw, and then from Warsaw we have to take another plane, which is going to be savage because it's going to be 9-10 hours.
So just a little update, we are about to board on a plane to Sri Lanka. So we're having a quick break. Abella's eating her snacks, we're just chilling, we literally have 10 minutes left, so I'll see you there. I'm back and we are already on a second plane to Colombo. This plane is 8 hours 45 minutes, so like literally almost 9 hours. So Arella's currently eating her snacks on the plane. She has some mandarins, some cucumbers and blueberries. We've also been given this super amazing cot where we can put baby later on, but right now she's actually down here chilling. We gave her some toys and she's crawling away, standing up, so everything is nice and easy so far.
Arella, Dada.
Just arrived. It's supposed to be vegan food and I'm really happy with what's served. We have like this mushroom rice here, rice salad, pineapple and pomegranate, a bun, peach jam, and then unfortunately honey, which is actually not vegan. So I don't know what's happening here. Are you ready for bed? You ready for bed? Good night. Night night. Night night, bye, bye bye, bye bye. Oh my gosh. We get this soon because I'm struggling. And we have finally arrived to Sri Lanka. It is currently midnight, 5:30 AM in Sri Lanka.
and Rada's fast asleep. We still have to get to our hotel, which is taking ages, and I don't know how I'm gonna survive today's day, but we shall get into it. Anyways, adventure is going to begin now, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. And apart from that, I'll see you soon.